আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
জি, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমরা বোধহয় শুরু করতে পারি নাকি?
জি
হ্যালো,
স্যার।
শুরু করি। আমার সাউন্ড শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যাররা?
জি স্যার।
স্যার সাউন্ড অনেক।
সাউন্ড কি শোনা যাচ্ছে?
জি স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, আমরা শুরু করি।
স্যার আপনার সাউন্ড অনেক আস্তে হচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখছি একটু। তো আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার।
স্যার ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম।
জি জি, আপনার ভয়েস তো খুব শক্ত ভয়েস আছে। জি স্যার, ঠিক আছে, আমরা শুরু করি।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার, কেমন আছেন?
জি জি, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
জি, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। জি
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার, ভালো আছেন?
জি স্যার, আপনারা ভালো আছেন ইনশাল্লাহ। তো ফার্স্ট অফ অল, I introduce myself. I am a fellow member of this institute. I am also the CISA qualified. Presently, I am serving in Capital Market Stabilization Fund as the head of the organization, as the created by the Security Exchange Commission. Before that, I served in Agruni Bank Limited as an chief financial officer as well as head of internal control and compliance. Before that, I served Rupali Bank as a general manager, ICC. And before that, I served Bangladesh Security Exchange Commission as a consultant, ED, a position, Office of the Chief Accountant. And before that, I served in Dhaka Stock Exchange as a Deputy General Manager of CGFRC. And before that, Brahmar Partners. So totally, I am serving nearly 25 years in my professional career. So we are starting from our information technology. Here we have 5 module or 5 chapters, and in our section B, we 2 teachers will that means deliver the lecture. So first of all, I am starting from information system, and then I will cover information technology. Then I will cover e-business system. And our another teacher, he will cover electronic commerce system, enterprise business system. And here within 5 modules, we have 13 topics. If we see in our syllabus, information system in business is number 1. Then the component of information system, number 2. And if we see within our second module, here hardware, software, data resource management, telecommunication and network. And within our third module, e-business system, functional business system. And our another teacher, he will cover electronic commerce fundamental, then e-commerce application and issues, then customer relationship management, CRM, then enterprise resource planning, ERP, and finally supply chain management, SCM. So totally here 13 topics, and this paper is very easy, but that means you have to study. Just with there are if you see our question pattern and everything is all are very much familiar. you are using in your day-to-day life, in your farm and everywhere we are using. So we are very much familiar at this moment. So the topics is here. So this is our syllabus, and I think all you have. So we are starting from Module 1, Information System in Business. So information system in business, here two topics, information system in business itself. So today we will cover today's I have one class we have. So only within one class we have to cover just one topics. So let's start. আমরা যে কথা বলতেছি কোনো সমস্যা হচ্ছে, বোঝা যাচ্ছে তো সব স্যার?
জি স্যার, বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
জি স্যার, বোঝা
জি
যাচ্ছে।
স্যার,
Yes,
বোঝা
sir,
যাচ্ছে।
clear.
স্যার, clearly we understand.
Thank you. So after completing these topics, we will be identify the concept of system and how it's related to information system. Then measure types of information system in real world and knowledge of information system, its importance, why we need it, and we will be able to identify challenges in business manager in different stages. So it is our expectation from these topics. So here we know here basic understand the 5 basics area we have. Information system, that means we need it. Why need it? Without information technology, today's world is that means zero, but because we everywhere we are using the information technologies, and our জ্ঞাত সারে হোক অজ্ঞাত সারে হোক আমরা কিন্তু এটার উপরে fully dependent. So information system is playing a vital role nowadays. So if we see our enterprise resource management, customer relationship, business intelligence, supply chain, though it is separate topics we have, but for working within the organization, so we have to understand the ICT. And within the organization, because if we see, if each and every organization, they have the specific mission, vision, and goals. So achieving the goals, all organizations set their working process or their every stage of communication device or every level through the ICT. So if we see here, effective implementation and management of information system can help business achieving greater efficiency, productivity, and profitability. So what is information system? Information system are the combination of people, information technologies, business process to accomplish a business objective. So here clearly said that information system is the combination of people, information technologies, and business process. So this is the combination of information system. Information system is the integral part of our day-to-day life. If we see here, look here in the right side, any organization is the combination of people, because worker or even, but if you think your CFM, so who are the people? People, you are the people. So here we are using the technology, we are using the hardware, software, and we require the data resource, and we need the policy and procedure and communication network that we should store, retrieve, transform in different mode based on the organization requirement. An information system and technological vital component to successful business and organization. So an information system, IS, can be any organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network, data resource, policy and procedure that is store, retrieves, transform, and disseminated information in an organization. So this is the clear that means definition of information system, where is the combination of people, hardware, software, communication network, data resource, etc. as the technology, and policy procedure, rules that we store, transform, disseminated information in an organization in different level. Here, that means people rely on modern information system to communicate with one another using the various physical device. We know this is the hardware. That physical device means hardware. We are using laptop, PC, etc. The hardware. Information processing, instruction, and procedure. This is the software. Then communication channel is the network. And a stored data, that means data resource. This is the all together combined in the information system. So here you have the framework of information system. So if we see here, it's taken from your reference book. That means information system is the information technology concept we should use. Then fundamental concept we have, development process we have, business application, and management challenges. To here, as a professional, we have to understand all these 5 areas. Here is the 5 areas. So area fundamental, that means foundation concept. So basic technological behavior, business managerial concept, etc., including within this concept. Then information technology, we know there's technology combination of hardware, software, network, data, resource management, and all internet-based technologies, all the information technology. Then business application is the major use of information system for the operation, management, and competitive advantage of a business for achieving the business goal. And then development process, how business people and that information specialists plan, develop, implement information system to meet the business opportunities, achieving the set goal, and several development methodology that include the, that means we know the development life cycle, system development life cycle, prototyping approach to business application development based on the organizational requirement. It is the differ from organization to organization. And here definitely management have some challenges all over the world, all over the business, because technology always are changing. And everything that means always are changing. That means that this challenge you have to that means requirement, the change of the technological adoption and enterprise and globalization for achieving the goal of the organization, for survival the organization. So this is the management challenge also, is the definite challenge. So here I have covered some key fundamental business manager can use, manage the information system function in a company with global business operation. So always have to face the challenge, and being a professional, we have to that means solve the problem, and we have to face the challenges. So this is the 5 that means within the framework here have the 5 area of IS knowledge. That means IS means information system, foundation concept, information technologies, business application, development process, management challenges. So the fundamental roles of IS in business.
Sir, I have one question.
Please,
Ji, sir.
please.
The question is prototyping approaches. What do we mean by development process?
Yeah, that means software that we know the software that means the instruction of few combination of instruction that coded by the software developer. So within the development side here within the system development side, here have the life cycle and prototyping approach. The based on the requirement of the software, that means each and every software they have the different platform. So within the platform, which language required for the development of the that means system, and based on that system, so this is the one type of approach prototyping. This is the software development process. So we will be able to understand that type of word in our next lecture also. So here is the development process of a software based on the organizational requirement and the platform. For example, if you see your banking software, core banking solution is the major largest software. And if you see also our national ID server, and where they are using the software, that must be a defined way, where the system development life cycle exists with different prototyping approach. So that approach uh, finally develop the software and using the system. So we will be able to understand in different way. But prototyping approach is a one type of development process of software. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Ji, sir.
Then, and we have the Google Mama. So if you search it, no problem. So here the fundamental roles of IS in business. So the 3 fundamental role of the business application of information system. So that 3 fundamental roles are here. Support of business process and operation is the fundamental roles of information system, support of business process and operation. Then support decision making by employees and managers in different levels of the organization. And we know within the organization there are different layers. That means top level management, mid level management, and supporting staff or lower level management. So all level, that information system should support the decision making of the organization. Each and every level, each and every employees and managers, they can benefit from the information system, and also support the strategic competitive advantage is to the top level management. So decision making in strategically that depend on the organizational top management or owner or who is running the organization, that the support competitive advantages taken from the top level management. So these 3 item is the 3 fundamental roles of information system in business. So here information system provide an organization with support of business process and operation, decision making, and competitive advantages. So 3 items here. Then if we see that 3 items, if we see the organizational structure of layer, information system they support a strategic competitive advantage that done by the top level management, and support business decision making within the organization is the mid level management, and support business process and operation is the lower level management. So business support, and so if you see the what is system? System is a set of interrelated components with a clearly defined boundary which work together to achieve a common set of objectives. So this is the fundamental definition of system. So system is a set of components with a clearly defined boundary, মানে যে আমার স্পেসিফিক বাউন্ডারি যে আমি কতটুকু করতে পারবো, আমার অবস্থানটা কোথায়, and which work together to achieve a common set of objective. একটা organization, they have the common objective or goal. So achieving that goal, that system, component of system interrelated and work together for achieving that goal. So an organization combination of people, we know hardware, software, communication network, all are within the system. So if we see the information system versus information technology. So information system is all of the component and resource necessary to deliver information and function to the organization. And information technology means hardware, software, network, and data resource. So here clearly we can define it. So information system is all the component for the organization where functionally work for achieving the goal. And information technologies are hardware, software, network, and data resource or data management. So we have the foundation concept. Already we have seen the fundamental behavior, technical, business, and managerial concept, including there. And information technology is also, we know here the hardware, software, network, data resource, internet-based technologies, etc. And business application, we know major use of information system within the organization, and develop process, how we can develop, implement information system to business opportunities, to meet the business opportunities, and management challenges are effectively and ethically manage IT. And major component of information system, data, data resource, etc. Information system is the major component. So if we see the trend in information system, if we look here, this picture taken from your reference book. So if we see here how the information system developed today, that means it's a start from long time ago. So here, basically here 1950 to 1960, that time was electronic data processing system. That means EDS. So data processing type, that means electronic data processing system, that activities were there, transaction processing, record keeping, and traditional accounting application we did from the EDS. And then next version comes MIS, Management Information System. Within that period, 1960 to 70, developed gradually management reporting. So within this system, management report and pre-specified information to support decision making. So also is the managerial activity doing there, and that's why we know in our society and worldwide we have the different accounting profession. Is a one of chartered accountant, another one management accountant, or cost and management accountant also. So management accounting, they are doing the information or analytical activity for the management for take the decision. And this management reporting helps management to lead the organization and achieving their goal and innovation of new product as well as new market as well as survival the organization to achieving the goal and protect the investors, that means of the organization. So MIS, Management Information, developed 1960 to 1970 and gradually improving. So after that, here comes the decision support system. It's called DSS. So within 70 to 80, develop decision support system and is the upper version of management reporting or management information system. It helps to the management, top level management, for taking the strategic decision instant or take the decision for future for the organization, for survival or expansion of the organization. And DSS, that upper version now, that means lot of thing here. If we see end user computer system, EIS, also we can say here difference expert system, strategic information system, SIS, also executive information system, that means EIS. So here this period 1980 to 90, gradually all are developing. So end user computer system is direct computing support to end user productivity and working group collaboration. An executive information system is a critical information for top management. And expert system is the knowledge-based expert advice for end users. And a strategic information system is come forward that strategic product and service for competitive advantage. So that type of item, that's EIS, AIS, ES, SIS, etc., developed within the 1980 to 90. And then next version comes here. That means latest version, that is e-commerce. We know there are at this moment all are in the within the e-commerce at the internet based uh, commerce. That means trading or everything. So electronic business commerce through 90 to 200 is developed gradually. Now is the extreme level at this moment. So here internet based e-business or e-commerce system and web-enabled enterprise and global e-business operation and electronic commerce through the internet, intranet, and extranet. So here a few difference between internet, intranet, and extranet. That means intranet is within the organization, extranet outside the organization, networking outside with the outside organization, and intranet within the organization, department to department, man to man, employee to employee. The connectivity is the intranet, and internet is the global through not only inside or outside, globally connectivity within the internet. So here are some difference between intranet, and extranet. So here electronic business only totally done by the internet business, and then comes develop for the business ERP. We know is ERP means enterprise resource planning. So within the ERP, that means enterprise common interface application, data mining, data visualization, customer relationship management, supply chain, all within the ERP. If we see, if we think about one banking system, core banking solution, there are different types of module within that core banking solution. For example, loan module, advance module, deposit module, LC module, reconciliation module, foreign exchange module, different types of module, including within a system. So that is the ERP, enterprise resource planning. We'll see that specific topics we have in chapter 5. So this is the train of information system. So now the system is in extreme level. So we are going for 2023 and next What type of technology is coming is that is unknown. So at this moment, we are also using the chat GPT and different types of technology at this moment we have. So look here is the role of e-business and in business. Role of e-business in business. So business today depend on the internet, intranet, and extranet to implement and manage innovative business application. So today's business totally dependent on internet and extranet. So if we see this picture is also taken from your reference book. If you see here is the reference also taken here, MIS by James Arden. So here, if we see this picture, look here. So manufacturing and production. And also one thing you know, you will study in your MI, management information. So if we see the production oriented organization, so within the production oriented organization, and if we see the service oriented organization, everywhere we have the three stage. One is input, then process, then output. And if we think about manufacturing organization, so what is input? Input mean material, labor, and overhead. And that input is the element of cost. That cost goes to the process. And after processing, we'll get the finished goods, or that means finished goods. So if we see here, if we think about the inventory, we have the three types of inventory we have. One is material inventory, another is work in progress inventory, and another is finished goods inventory. All take the money, that means keeping the money within the inventory. So when we take the process, we should think about how much inventory we have to give, because all are the money related. So that type of study you will study in your MI. So there, based on that, here we are saying that manufacturing and production, if you see here is the middle side, at that manufacturing and production helps, who helps? Our engineering or research, they developed new product, and that product manufacture within the organization. And for production, we need the material, we may need the labor, we need the overhead. So that material that supply from the supply chain management we taken procurement, distribution, and logistic. And also after a few department within the organization, they are helping for production. For example, here, account finance, HR, marketing, everything within the organization. After completion, the production, that means it goes for the customer relationship. That means we should market it, we should sell it, and giving to the customer for better service. Look here. So here, manufacturing and customer relation, manufacturing and supply chain, that within the intranet, within the government, that means within the boundary. Look here, this is the boundary. This is the company's boundary. And outside the boundary, use the extranet. Who are the external, our, that means stakeholder? Sometimes supplier or the business partner, sometimes customer and business customer. They are our external stakeholder. So we are connecting with the extranet to the stakeholder, and we are connecting our network within the organization, our intranet. And look here, the intranet, it is the overall global networking. So here clearly we can see that what is the difference between intranet, extranet, and internet. So this is the here role of a B business through the internet and extranet. So we already discussed here. Sometimes enterprise collaboration system, that means within the organization, involve use of software tools, support communication, coordination within the organization through the internet, extranet, and that if we see the e-commerce, so we have separate topics, separate chapter also, e-commerce. So e-commerce mean buying, selling, marketing, and serving a product, service, and information over a variety of computer network. So is the basic definition of e-commerce is the buying, selling through the internet. And if you see here, the types of information system, different types of information system we have. Some are operation management is classification in different way. If you see, this is the types of information system. Basically, information system is basically two types. Number one is the support business operation. That system is operation support system. So operation support system is a one type of information system. Another one, management support system. So management support system support to the management within the organization for decision making, and support to the business operation by the operation support system. That support system, operation support system, also we can segregate or that means clarify in another four way. One is enterprise collaboration system. It is the part of operation support system. So enterprise collaboration system means within an organization, a teamwork or group work, collaboration, that system is enterprise collaboration system, is a part of operation support system. And if we see the process control system is another, that means operation support system, is control the industrial process. That means that another system. So transaction business process is processing system, transaction processing system, day-to-day transaction, banking transaction through the channel, etc. The transaction processing system, TPS, is the processing business transaction. It is the part of operational support system. Part of operational, एक minute, okay. Then holo, a specified processing system, different types of a specific. That means here said that expert system is the specific system that using the expert advice for decision maker. Knowledge management system is the manage the organizational knowledge is the specific system. And strategic information system support competitive advantage is also the decision making for the management information system. And functional business system support basic function through the MIS. And if we see the management support system here, management information system, that means MIS, is the specific the reporting for managers. MIS, that means a specific what type of report management wants that support to the management. If we see our, that means we have the accounting standard, a specific report, but if we see the management report, there is no standard. What type of report management wants, that's the standard. Is that depend on organization to organization, is depends on the management or manager, what type of report he or she required. So a specific report for the managers is the support by management information system, is the management support system part. Then decision support system is the interactive decision support taken by the top level management, is the management support system. And if we see the executive information system, that information for the executive of the top level or organization for taking the decision, a specific decision for the organization. So if we see here information system, there are the mainly two types. One is operation support system, another management support system, and operation support system, another type. Here the specific transaction processing, a process control system, enterprise collaboration system. And if we see the management support system, is the management information system, MIS, decision support system, DSS, executive information system, EIS, and a specific processes system. It's include the expert system, ES, knowledge management system, KMS, and strategic information system, SIS, and functional business system, FBS. So this is the information system. If we see here types of information system, if we receive any MCQ, the basic type of information system, here two types, operational support system and management support system. So that operational support system here, saying here, already we discussed operational support system, that information system have always been need for process data generated by and use in business operation. So operation support system include variety of information, product, internal, external user. They do the emphasis the specific information products that can use best of the use managers. So that type of is different types. That means a summary of operation support system. If you see the example taken from your reference book, a transaction processing system, the process data resulting from business transaction, update operational database, and produce business document. Here saying that the sales by invoice and accounting system, etc. And process control is the monitor and control organizational, that means manufacturing or industrial process. Here saying that petroleum refining, power generation, steel production, etc. is the process control system. That means production technology here using. An enterprise collaboration system is the support system, working group within the organization or team or in a group, an enterprise communication collaboration. Here we are using email. Nowadays we are using WhatsApp groups, etc., chat and video conference. At this moment we are using the Zoom platform, etc. is the enterprise collaboration system. So here ICB collaborated, that means with the Zoom. Here student teachers, we are taking the classes through the Zoom. So is the one type of technology we are using here. And transaction processing system all are based on the day-to-day transaction. If we think about banking transaction, they are taking bank are receiving money as a deposit from the depositor, and bank are giving the loans or advance to the investors. And difference of the that means deposit, for example, they are giving few interest, and from giving the loan, they take the interest, more interest from them. So that means difference of both interests is the income or income of the banks. So if we see that type of activity, day-to-day activity, is through the transaction processing system they're doing. That process transaction basically different way. For example, we know the batch processing. Another is online processing, real-time processing. So what is batch processing? So batch processing is a transaction data and accumulated over a period of time and proceed periodically. If we see the banking side, every day we are giving the check deposit to the bank, one in our account for different banks check. And you know, all bank have a account with the central bank, and every day that check are, that means scanning, all checks are MICR, scanning and taking in the batch and giving to the system. And Bangladesh Bank every day two time they best process their system the two time, but high value check which are more than 10 lakh, all checks instantly, real timely process it. But other checks goes for the batch processing. So batch processing is the one periodically here. Periodically means here daily transaction, daily process the two types at this moment in our country. And real time or online processing is the data processing immediately after transaction occur. Here we say the for example, a point of sale we know is POS system. If we go your using your debit card or credit card to the, for example, you go to Agora or Unimart or any other for purchasing something or any elsewhere. So we are using our credit card and they put in their POS machine immediately is the cash register nature and transmit sales data electrically over telecommunication likes to the regional computer system, usually real time, day or night, every day. That means this POS system that accounting software automatically transaction or update the data. Now process control system. Right, कैसे? Oscar cut time. Kaushik, okay. আপনারা সাউন্ডটা অফ রাখেন, আমরা তো আসলে আর বেশিক্ষণ ইয়ে হবে না, আমরা মোটামুটি দেখে এটা শেষ করা যায় কিনা এই চ্যাপ্টারটা, মানে এই টপিক্সটা। প্রসেস কন্ট্রোল সিস্টেম, এটা আসলে দিস মনিটর অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোল ফিজিক্যাল প্রসেস of a system. Then management support system, we know there are different types of management support system. Management information is also DSS, EIS is the part of MIS. So here management information system provide information in the form of pre-specified report. At this moment we are using dashboard reporting. Everywhere we have the reporting, and that's display the support decision making. And for example, sales analysis, production performance, cost trend reporting system, etc. A few times we are using the master budget, etc. And decision support system provide interactive support decision making to the top management. For example, that means set the production pricing, profitability forecast, risk analysis, etc. An executive information system is the provide critical information from MIS, DSS, other thing. So here is the management information system. Look here. So MIS, all data include here within the organization. Here, management, finance, stock, inventory, distribution, production, sales, all data within the MIS. Decision support system here saying that what have to do or what have to think, what decision can be taken by the top management is given by the decision support system. It's help to take proper decision by the top management. And executive support information system is also another side. So from the all other system, summary or everything is taking that system and giving the information data to the management to give the or take the proper decision. And other we have the expert system, knowledge management system, it's strategic information system, functional business system. Managerial challenge we have the different types of challenge. A few challenge are managing of cash flow. When employees buy in the foreseen open environment, then choosing the partners strategic alliance, finding right peoples, ভাইজান আপনারা একটু অফ করে রাখেন। Lovely, no? But and that means also challenge the internet and e-commerce, and day by day is improving. So if we see the example of challenge and its opportunity, so we have we will be able to complete it, inshallah. Here example of the challenge and opportunities. So here, where is challenge, the opportunity is there. Look here, the business enterprise, they have the challenge. What is the challenge? They have the challenge speed, flexibility for manufacturing or develop the cycle, and re-engineering, cross-functional, integrated e-business, etc. is the challenges. So using that challenge, that was for overcome the challenge, using the technology, the value added within the organization. How? Look here, speed and flexibility or manufacturing development cycle, that challenge overcome speed, the internet, wave, and IT infrastructure, and add value, give the customer what customer needs, what type of product customer wants, that produce and give to the customer, and within the supply chain and through the distribution channel. So cost would be lower, but item would be acceptable to the customer. So their value add within the organization. And if we see the re-engineering program, that was challenge, cross-functional interface, business process, internet technology, that helping the web technology, internet work, employee, customer, and supplier, through using that value add coordination of manufacturing and business process, supply and customer, interrelated through the internet, extranet, and internet. Then integral e-business, e-commerce, structure, culture, etc. That type of challenge solved through the global network computing, collaboration, decision support system. And it add value, sorry, এক minute. জি ওয়াসি, জি কালকে তাহলে যাওয়া যাবে না, না? আচ্ছা,
কালকে পরশু এসেছি, তো তার নাকি অফিসিয়াল কাজ এখনো বাকি আছে, ওগুলো নাকি করবে।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমাদের তো কবে, সোম, রবি, সোম, মঙ্গলবার তো, মঙ্গলবার তো বোর্ড মিটিং, হ্যাঁ, বুধবারে
থাকুক আর না থাকুক আসলে
না। আর ইয়ে করে ওই যে মিলনকে বলে ইয়ে নিয়েন, ওই যে ওনার ইয়ে দিয়ে ইনক্লুড করা যায় কিনা ওইটা দেখেন, ওই যে বোর্ডে মিলনকে দিয়ে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েন, হ্যাঁ, যে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ হজর। Sorry, Ajam. So here, if you see the integrated e-business or e-commerce is global network, using the global network and decision support, value we can add the marketing channel, partnership with supplier and distribution. So this way, challenge can be turned into opportunity. Success and failure with information technology. So information technology is the broad sense. There we have the challenge and success depend on proper implementation. Use it through the employee of the organization. If they think it is problem, that goes for the failure of the technology. The developing information system solution here, information system develop fastly we have to investigate what type of system we need. Then we have to analyze it. And based on the analyzation, that means we design it. That design can be two types. One is physical design, another is that means internal design. Then design we can implement it through the coding. We can make the software and implement it, and then continue maintaining it. This is the development information system solution. This way, first investigate, then analyze, then design, then implement, then maintain continuous is a life cycle or development cycle of information system. So this is the development cycle of an information system. Challenge and ethics of information system. So we know that this moment always there is some challenge or ethical issue here. So information system, if we use properly an application, that customer relation, human, business, etc., if we use it, and potentially that type of harmful thing is here, privacy problem, inaccurate information problem, etc. That type of problem can be solved. That means if we see that type of problem, that few risks comes within the organization. For example, the privacy problem, if see, then customer boycott the product. Then for example, you are a trainee chartered accountant, and you audited an organization. So their data, if you disseminate it to outside other, so that is the privacy problem. And if the ODT or customer or organization management know that you publish that data or given to another person, so that ODT will not come again to audit you. That means give no work with with the audit firm. So that's mean that the ODT is our customer. So that customer will boycott us. So it is the another thing. Then inaccurate information, if we said, then our activity can be stopped. Government intervention can come. And then how we can solve that problem? Code of ethics we can establish, and we can give the incentive to the worker, and we need the certification for the process control, etc. So that type of technological problem can be solved through this way. And the information technology function is major function: business, finance, operation, management, marketing, all work within the information system. Important contribution to efficiency, employees, productivity, and moral thing for satisfied the customer, recognized source of value farm, etc. as the thing. And the information technology department, each and every organization have the information technology department. They have the work it, and so maintain the information system, data efficiency, useful timing, all by the IT department within the organization. So they are the protecting the hardware, software, network, etc. for achieving the organization goal. So this is the thing. And if we see here few YouTube links, so if you want to be a more clear that well information technology role of modern organization, you will give if we see this video 4 or 5 minutes, then it would be clear. Types of information system here. What is the difference between the internet and intranet? Information system development, information system infrastructure, information of things, Internet of Things, IoT, how IT business process fit together. All are within that type of video we have. So let's summarize the topics. Then we'll see few MCQ, 5 or 10 numbers of MCQ we'll see. So here today we discuss the information system in business. And we have seen information system include all thing that means help to achieve the organization goal or meeting the goal of the organization. Information system are the combination of people. Information technology, here information technology include hardware, software, data resource management, etc. All are the information technology, and business process accomplish the business objective. And here we have seen the conceptual framework of information system. Here five, that means five essential concept here, foundation concept: information technology, business application, development process, management challenge, and three fundamental role here have. So if we say that three fundamental roles are support to the business process and operation, support to the decision making by the managers, support to the strategic competitive advantage to the that means by the top level management. So also said, what is the system? We say a system is a component, clearly defined boundary, which work together to achieve a common set of objective. And we also see in the information system and information technology, system is a component of resource necessary for deliver information and function to the organization. And information technologies are the hardware, software, network, data management combination. And we also see in the trend of information system from the data processing or electronic data processing, then come management information system, then decision support system, then strategic end user support, then electronic business and commerce, then ERP comes here. And here we have seen the role of e-business in business. So here all internal item that interrelated with the intranet. Here the supplier, production, engineering, accounting, customer, marketing, selling, customer service within the organizational boundary, and outside the boundary externally is interlinked with supplier, business partner, customer, and business other things. And through the internet, it network with the globally, that the role of e-business here clearly defined here. And we have seen the e-commerce. E-commerce means is the buying, selling, marketing, servicing, product service, information over the variety of computer network. And types of information system we have seen measure two types: operation support system and management information system. Operation support system are the transaction processing system, process control system, enterprise collaboration system, and a specific processing system. And management information system used by the managers and support to the manager for decision making of the organization, for the achieving the organization goal, mission, vision. Here are the management information system, decision support system, executive information system, and a specific processing system. All are the specific processing system can be defined in the four types: expert system, knowledge management system, strategic information system, functional business system, etc. So here operational, we have seen transaction processing, and also we have seen the MIS, management information system. Executive information system is the provide critical information from a wide variety of internet and external source of easy to use display executive and managers, dashboard reporting, etc. And here summaries, expert knowledge, etc. we have seen. And then we have few challenges within the organization or ICT. So that challenge we can be turned into opportunity through using the information technology, and we can add value our organization, our customer, our nation also. So here the success will depend on the activities of the organization, and we have seen the development process. Successful implementation system solution development require the investigation, then analyze it, then we develop it through the software engineering, that implement it within the organization, and continue we maintain it and update it continuously. This is the cycle, that means information system development cycle. And we have seen the challenge of ethics issue. Here, that means here some question already have some of the ethical risks we have because of internet, other things, bugging. That means computer can be crashed, by ICT can be disseminated our all information to outside the society or our enemy, etc. So that type of problem we can be solved in different way. We have that is the problem can be with this potential risks we have. At that risks we can be solved. Possible solution, we have to use the code of ethics and incentive to the employees and all the certification, global certification. That means different types of antivirus use, different types of firewall we can use, etc. And application to the ICT within the organization. So information technology found different types of function here, and each and every organization have the ICT department. Now we'll see few MCQ model question and solution also here. Look here. Number 1, dash are the combination of people, information technology, and business process to accomplish a business objective. What would be the answer? A, B, C.
Sarya number. Information systems.
Yes, information system. Yes. So we will just study. We will read only correct one, because in MCQ, if you see, if you read the false one, so when you go for sit for the exam, that wrong item can be your mind. So it's my suggestion. Always will just put the answer correct one. If you see, I have that means MCQ. That means 1000 MCQ. I put one sheet. All are here. That means I have a Google Drive. There you can collect from here. There, all sheet is putting there also. So we will see the correct one also. The here information system are the combination of people, information technology, and business process to accomplish a business objective. Answer A. Then dash provide critical information. We have seen the critical information. Who provide the critical information? We have seen executive information system provide the critical information system from a wide variety of internet, external source, easy to use display, executive and manager. Answer is B. If we say number 3,
Sir, an
information
organization. N number can be
Konta?
an organization. Information systems are categories to spotlight the major roles it plays in the operations and management of an organization.
Organization. Yes, here answer basically C. Business. Here an organization. You are saying that an organization, but information system are categorized to spotlight the major role is play the operation and management of. Here answer in my database is an answer is C. A business. Management of a business. So here information system are categorized to spotlight the major roles is plays in the operations and management of a business. Here that means organization, if we see organization is a small thing, but business is bigger one. Here we can, though we think that organization maybe answer is correct, but here basic thing is a business would be the more correct one.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Enterprise collaboration system involve the use of software tools and support communication, collaboration, coordination among the members of network team working group. A businessman may use internet, externet, network implement such system. So here answer definitely true.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So number 5, if see, to implement and manage innovative e-business, applicant business today depend on what? Depend on what?
Sir, it may be a number.
Depend
Yes, sir.
internet, intranet, and extranet. Without internet, we cannot do business at this moment. So today's depend on what? Internet, intranet, and extranet. Answer A. What is the buying, selling, marketing, and servicing of a product, service, and information over a variety of computer network? We have read it also.
Sir, e-commerce.
Yes, you're
Answer
right.
D.
E-commerce.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Then if we see information system.
E-commerce.
Yes, you're right. That was your answer is e-commerce. Correct. 6-1. Now we are seeing the number 7. Information system, IS, is all of the component and resource necessary to deliver information and function of the organization and dash it hardware, software, network, data management. So what is hardware, software, data management?
Sir, information system.
Information technology.
Technology. Yes, sir.
Technology. So
Information technology.
IT, sir.
yes, sir, IT. So an IT is hardware, software, network, data management. Answer C. If we see number 8, foundation concept, information technology, business application, development process, and management challenge are the 5 area of dash knowledge. What knowledge? Area. 5 area for what? Is the information system.
IT.
No, IS. Is the IS, information system. Technology means hardware, software, etc. But system is other thing, process, etc. So 5 areas are information system. Here answer is B. Look here, number 9. Decision support system, DSS, give direct computer support to managers during the dash.
Decision making process. It can
What
be.
would be the answer? Yes, you are right. Decision making process. Decision making process. So decision support system gives direct computer support to managers during the decision making process. Answer A. A set of interrelated component with a clearly defined boundary, which are together to achieve common set of objective. What is it? Clearly defined boundary.
Sir, information technology. It can be.
No, we read it.
Answer D.
A system, B.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
System. That means it have the clearly defined boundary. We read it here. That means if we see here, look. Information. This, look here. A set of interrelated component with a clearly defined boundary which work together to achieve a common set of objectives is the system. So here answer is B, system. So this way we have completed one topics today. We have finished it. Our time also running out. Oh, 10:20. So do you have any question? Sir, আপনাদের কি কোনো কোশ্চেন টোশ্চেন আছে? নাহলে আমরা ক্লোজ করে দেই, মোটামুটি টাইমের কাছাকাছি চলে আসছে, যদিও 10 মিনিট আছে হাতে।
জি স্যার।
No, sir, we don't have any question.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
after slide, sir.
I will give you at that was that was after 30 minutes. I will give you. No problem. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.